Okay, so I just got home from school, and last Saturday, me and my friend ordered basically the same pair of shoes, or we tried to order the same pair of shoes. No, basically, on Friday, we tried to order the new pair of Human Races. I think it's called the Solar Pack, and we haven't got it at the sneaker store, which is nearby us, and they had it on the homepage. So we tried to get it, but no chance there. All like, it just was out of stock in completely like 3 minutes, something like that. So next morning at 10 o'clock they dropped Adidas. So I actually haven't. I thought I wouldn't get any like Adidas because like this is where they come from, but I basically just got a pair of Human Races Solar Pack in black and yellow and a little bit white and red. Unboxing these right now in this video, so let's get right into it. So this is where they come in, just like a normal Adidas box. I need to get my Gorilla Pod right now. There we go. Alright, so we're good at this point. I'm gonna get a scissors right here in 3, 2, 1. I don't know if this transition worked. I hope so. I'm gonna get the package a little closer. And there we go. So this is better. I haven't ordered anything directly from Adidas, so I've just noticed I don't even need a scissor because look at this. I'm just gonna be using like these opening stripes. Okay. So first thing I see, this little card, adidas.com, I don't know, just like commercial. And then basically, you see this like Hue logo, and you already know what's in there. I tried to get these. I've tried like 3 times to get a pair of Human Races when they dropped. None of it worked, so this time it worked, so I'm pretty happy. How do I get this? Oh. So there we go. Oi. Look at this. So let me get them out. So this is the first look on them. They look pretty fire. With the Adidas right there. I don't know if you can see, it's a little dark. And I think this is like a reflection right here on the back. I think I've saw a video, and it's like I've seen a lot like other pairs of Human Races and had these in my hand, and these are like lighter than 2017 ones which dropped. And like this is like a little like outcome right here. I don't know if you can see this properly. But you can. So this is the shoe. Let's get the second pair. So on here is Empower and Inspire on this one. So this is kind of a cool feature, and these are like super like different from the other ones because it's like a lot of white on this on top of this. So I'm probably gonna be doing like a little montage on where I'm like gonna be filming these little close-ups. So I'm pretty stoked about these. So you're gonna see a little montage in 3, 2, 1. Hope you enjoy. I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Alright guys, so this is kind of like the first look at the shoe from my side too. So I think they're pretty cool. They look actually like pretty amazing with like these like details like right there. This looks pretty good. And it's like a nice material up this one. Like right here, this is like really nice. It's coming a little out right here. Like I said, pretty nice shoes. A little lighter than like the 2017 ones, I guess, I think. So yeah. Alright guys, so this wraps up today's video. It was just like the unboxing, but I'm gonna bring out a couple more videos like this week, like when you see this week, and I'm gonna be going like to skate parks and doing stuff like this. So this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.